Hello everyone, this is Ruma from USA. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you this beautiful flower tutorial. I hope you'll like this tutorial and you can make it very easily. First I make a slip knot and 5 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1 slip stitch for make a chain ring. Now 3 chain and 12 double crochet. Now I make a slip stitch and 3 chain, 1, 2, 3 and 1 single crochet after 1 chain stitch. Again 3 chain and 1 single crochet after 1 chain stitch. So I'm maintaining the same stitch until finish this round. I'm finished this round. Now 1 chain and I'm cutting this yarn and I'll lock this extra yarn. Now I cut the yarn and I'm finished the first part. Now I'll doing the second part with this pink color yarn. Now 3 chain and 4 double crochet and 1 single crochet. One single crochet, 2 chain, 4 double crochet and 1 single crochet. Now I'm maintaining the same stitch until finish this round. I make a slip stitch and 1 chain. Now I cut the yarn and tighten it a bit. Now I'm locking this extra yarn by the needle. I cut the extra yarn. Now my flower is ready. You can see it's very nice and beautiful flower, and it's very easy to make. And I hope you can make it very easily. Now I put 1 stone in the middle of flower for more beautiful. So if you want, you can put it too. So now have a look. This is the final look and I like it. I hope you guys will like it too. So if you like it, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.